What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So I appreciate everybody following the channel. You watching the channel, and if you like it, appreciate it. You don't like it, just sit back and be entertained. It's all good. Today what we got another subscription-based service called the Gentleman's Box. So the service that I subscribe to is the quarterly package, which is $100 every quarter. So every 3 months you got to pay $100 pretty much. They have other packages. They have the classic subscription, which is $29 per month. The premium box is the one that I got. Like I said, $100 per quarter. They got gifts starting at $29 a month. And they have an annual subscription in the US only for $299 per year. So you go to their website, gentlemansbox.com, and you click whichever one you want, and you just rock out like that. So it is what it is. We're gonna get into my package that I got. Like I said, I love receiving these packages because you just get the black box. You don't know what's in there. You know, even if they got it on the website, sometimes it varies on the website what you're getting. I don't even look at that. I just wait till I get it, then I open it up, and I just be surprised all at one time. So, Gentleman's Box, 4 to 6 items usually in the package, and you usually cater to, you know, the men's lifestyle. That's pretty much it. So, let's crack the box open and let's see what we got. Let's get right into it. Gentleman's Box. Thank you, everybody, like I said again, for watching. Check out the website, SOFOCUSED.BIZ. Got some t-shirts on there. Instagram, follow me. You know, do whatever you do. Just support. That's all it is. That's all it is. No, you don't have to spend money to support. Go to the website, check it out. Sign up for the news. Sign up for the subscription pack. Not subscription. Just sign up to get our updates. Go to the Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment. YouTube channel. So Focused Marketing and Promotions. Leave a comment in the section on the bottom. You know, do what you do. All you got to do is just, you know, to support. Not just my company. Follow the other companies that I'm doing the t-shirt campaign. That's still going on. You know, follow those brothers and sisters, whatever they got going on. Support them. Buy a t-shirt. Follow them on Instagram. Follow their Facebook. Keyword is just support. Don't hate, support. Let's get into this box. Gentleman's Box. So, like I said again, I got the, if you can see right there, I got the premium subscription at the top of the screen. You can see that right there. Alright, this one is called, they always have a theme. This one is the Sunday morning edition. So let's get into it. Open here. Boom. So let's see if that holds up. Sunday morning edition. They usually send you a book. So what we got in here, and this usually goes to, you know what, I'm not even gonna open the book right now because it's gonna tell me everything that's in there, and I wanted to, you know, I'll go through the book. We'll just go whatever, see what they got. But this usually tells you exactly what's in the package. But I like to be surprised, so we're gonna rock out like that. Let's just go with the Sunday morning edition, and then we'll come back to this at the end of the video, and we'll read exactly what we got. All right, boom, Sunday morning edition. So first thing out, oh, look at that. We got a silk robe. Dope, 100% silk robe. Nice. I'm not gonna open it up right now because it's gonna be, well, whatever. Let's crack it open. Why not? 100% silk robe. Crazy. Look at that. Like I said, this is the premium package, so you're getting $100 per quarter. So just keep that in mind as I'm unboxing this stuff. So right off the gate, blue silk robe. I'm feeling that. Next up, we got a daily face cleanser. Y'all can see that. Try to zoom in on that. Daily Face Cleanser, Witch Hazel, Calendula, and organic herbal extracts. Boom. These are all stuff that you need. This is not like, you know, BS stuff that they just throw it in a box. So this is stuff that you need, you're going to use. You're either going to rock it, or you're going to wear it, or you're going to, you know, something like that. You're going to use that on your face every day. You brush your teeth, you wash your face. That's something you keep in the bathroom, by the sink. You know? Dope. You can't beat that. Like I said, $100 per quarter. And they're not sponsoring this video. I'm actually a subscriber to this. They're not, you know, if they want, you know, if this reach out to them, they want to sponsor the videos, I welcome it. But as of right now, I've been with this for maybe 2 or 3 years, and it is what it is. Daily Face Cleanser. Let's move on. Right here, Northern Soul. I don't know what this is, so we're gonna open it up, see what we got inside. And we got some socks. Some nice dress socks. Blue dress socks. Not shocks, socks. You know, when you're getting your grown man on, these are dope, you know? Nice socks right there. Can't go wrong. They're by Northern Soul. Next up, what's this? We got London by English Laundry. This is some cologne. Let's crack this open, see what we're working with. $100 per quarter, y'all. $100 per quarter. I know people spend $100 in a week on lunch, and that's a fact. $100 per quarter. This is what you're getting. You know, gentleman's box. This is a cologne. Little nice. I like this box right here. I might just keep that for something else, but put some change in there or whatever. But English Laundry. You can see that. That's the company. See how it smells? I just got to take my word for it. I'm going to smell it, and if it smells good, I'm going to let y'all know. If it stinks, I'm going to let y'all know. It's a clean scent. It ain't like, you know, it smells good. Not too overbearing. It's like it smells clean. That's the best way that I could describe it. Describe it. It's a clean scent. The bottle is fresh. I like the bottle. If you into colognes, little gold top. London by English Laundry. Can't beat it, man. $100 per quarter. I'm going to keep repeating that because I like getting deals. And if you like me, you're going to rock out and you're going to get deals also. I like getting deals, and it is what it is. So right now what we got, obviously you can see by the top, it's going to be a watch in here. Omit watches. Right there. Let's crack it open, see what we got. Alright. Oh, it's coming off the thing, but whatever. Let's put that back on for presentation purposes. And let's get the real presentation. Right there. It's Omit watches. Now, I don't know how much this watch costs, retail or whatever, but don't even matter to me. I already got my $100 worth right here. Like I said, $100 per quarter. This is it. This is the last thing in the box. So already, I got a robe, I got some face cleanser, I got a watch, and I got some cologne, and I got some socks. $100 per quarter, y'all. $100 per quarter. So this is how the watch looks. Let me just put it on real quick so you can see how it looks on the wrist. I'm gonna need to get the links, you know, a little tightened, but that's how it's gonna look on your wrist. $100 per quarter. Check them out. gentlemansbox.com. Check them out. Like I said, go through the list of things that we got. You can't beat it. You know, like I said again, people spend $100 per week on lunch. These are all tangible items. These are all items that you're going to use more than one time. You know, might as well. You know, just, and like I said in my other videos of my subscription services, I don't like going to stores and waiting online and, you know, waiting for people crazy, you know, this rude cashiers, you know, other customers, you know, I'm not with it. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these subscription services and just wait in my house, you know, and wait for it to come in the mail. That's just how I do. If you like me, that's how I rock. You know, if I gotta go to the store, I'm in and out. I know what I want, and I'm coming right out the store. I'm not walking around, you know, BSing and doing crazy shit. You know, I'm in the store and I'm out. That's it. In and out real quick. So this is everything that you get. $100. Gentleman's box. You can't beat it, in my opinion. If you don't rock with it, you don't rock with it. It is what it is. You know, sit back and be entertained. Enjoy the video. You know, it is what it is. Sunday morning edition. Like I said, we will come back to that. This is the Sunday morning edition. So this is when you rocking. You know, you're getting ready. Go to church. Go to, you know, a little function, business meeting, whatever you got to do. That's it. I'm not even going to go through the book. It is what it is. Done. So check them out. gentlemansbox.com. Like I say at the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.